So hey everyone, and in this video we are going to install Git. So for installing Git we basically need Git bash. So you can just search for it, and then in the first link you can just go to downloads. Here you can see I directly got an option download for Windows, but if you're using Mac OS or Linux you can check, right? So for Windows I'm just gonna download it, and here you can see that we have basically some options here. You can check any one. Okay, there is no issue. Like I would just go with 64-bit Git for Windows, and that would do most of my job. I just need to now install this setup. So now guys, Git setup has been downloaded. What you need to do is you just need to click on it, and it would just open a window for you. So you can see that I basically got the setup. So you can just click on install, and it would take a few minutes or a few seconds to just finish this, and then we are ready to go. So now guys, you can see that Git is basically installed, that is Git bash is basically installed. So after this I can simply click on finish. Once I click finish, you can just go down, and I would just go to my documentation. Okay, here in the documentation you can see that we basically have some documentations also. So if in future if you feel somewhere that is what's basically the definition of each stuff, each command which we see in future, you can actually visit this website. This website is really great, and it would help you to see a lot of things. Okay, so what we're gonna do is to check if it's installed or not, we can simply check the version of Git. For that guys, you simply need to search here Git bash. So since we installed the setup, so it would give me Git bash now. Okay, now Git bash is properly installed. So you would see a command line interface, which we talked about in the Git versus GitHub video. That is, Git has a command line interface. You would see it something like this. This is the command line interface. Okay, so you can open it in the terminal of any IDE like VS Code also. There is no problem. You can just assume it as a terminal of VS Code also. So here you can see that right now I would just get some basic details, that is my name and my laptop's name, and this is MinGW, on which you are running this Git bash. Okay, so here what you need to check is you can check the versions. So once I write git -v, you can see I got the version of Git. That means guys, Git is now installed properly on your computer. So I hope you understood this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, say have a good day. Bye bye.